Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Android template system special for Porsche Cayenne. Okay, this front panel, it could come with special harness, so it plug and play. You can check this special harness. And this long cable. These two cables also come with head unit together. It supports fiber optic and both sound system. This long cable. Okay. It comes with GPS antenna. GPS type you can check. And this is USB cable. This is Wi-Fi antenna. External microphone and audio cable on back. And use manual. Use manual paper. Okay. Let me please take out screen protector before using. Okay. You can check this front panel. This volume button. All apps are here. You can check the built-in radio. This radio knob. Okay, this volume, back home. You can check Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head unit. Telephone number and the email address you can contact to us. You can choose logo for Porsche. This is a head unit for older years. Okay. All apps are here. It's built-in Bluetooth. And Google Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. This built-in Google Maps. Support TPMS. And YouTube. This is the link for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. You need to follow it. It's for Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Okay. First, let me check the settings. But device, you can check double is PX5 Android 10 system. RAM 4GB flash, ROM 64GB. Okay. Can check storage, total 64GB. Okay, this is DSP amplifier. Okay, first let me it's built-in Wi-Fi. Let me check settings. You can check it connect Wi-Fi, and let me test. Wiki. You can open Wiki. Amazon. Okay. And belsee.com, BLSEE.com. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. Okay, let me show the Bluetooth. This is pin code. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Enable Bluetooth. OK. Click search button to get the pair. Your phone will get the command. Please put 40. Okay, paired device, you can check. Okay, you can make phone call. You can check. It works with free phone call. And you can stream music from your phone. Music. Okay, to stream music from your phone. Music from USB phone. This DSP amplifier, you can adjust the sound. Surround, rear, front. Okay. Video. You can check. It's for your safety. You need to set it in the settings. Settings. Car settings. Base settings. Please do not select. Let me choose Belsee logo. 4 screw. Okay. I will check the Belsee website. If you have any more questions, you can contact to us. This is our website. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact to us. It's about DVD. There are 2 SD card slots you can check. Have disconnect cable, and you can check. There are 2 screws before take out, because it's fixed in the shapings, fixed DVD in the shapings. Okay, you can check the back. The USB port. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 USB. 4 US 1, 2, 3, 4, and the radio antenna, Wi-Fi, GPS, this audio, and this plug and play this fuse box. Okay, that's all. Thank you.